Grüezi YouTubers, here is the guy with the Swiss accent again.
My Swiss Army knife has a small
Defect here, you might see. Over the 40 years of wear and tear, I broke something off, and now
it will go back
to the manufacturer
for repair.
with a small letter.
It is now a few weeks later and I got mail from the supplier of my Swiss Army knife, Victorinox. Let's open the package. So, my knife, my old knife, and repaired with a new blade. And there is also an invoice. Let's look how much they charged me after 40 years. You see here, warranty. Victorinox, after 40 years of usage, they repaired my Swiss Army knife free of charge. Well done. Now I can start to open my mailbags again with my Swiss Army knife. Wow.